Hello guys, how are you? I hope so. Now we are going to talk about Ford Ranger Splash Edition returns with a new look, but before I have to ask you to subscribe and leave your like, let's go to the video. Ford is readying the next generation Ranger, but the automaker is reaching into its past for a fun special edition pickup before it arrives. The automaker is resurrecting the Splash moniker for a new appearance package that gives the truck unique exterior and interior visual cues. However, the package does not bring back the Splash's step-side bed. According to the automaker, more than 80% of Ranger customers customize their pickup with an appearance package, so offering the Splash makes perfect sense. Ford has actually announced two different Splash packages, the Splash Package and the Splash Limited Edition. These limited edition pickups will feature one-time only colors that Ford will release every few months in limited quantities. Ford says just a few hundred will be available. They will also feature 18-inch matte black wheels and unique exterior and interior content and finishes combinations. The regular Splash package arrives with black and orange side graphics, 18-inch 12-spoke matte black wheels, and orange grille nostrils. Gloss black accents adorn the grille, bumpers, side view mirror caps, wheel lip moldings, and fender vents. Inside, the package adds orange contrast stitching throughout, including the seats, steering wheel, gear lever, and parking brake boot. Lariat models with the Splash package also receive orange accent stitching on the front and rear armrests and the dash. Ford says deliveries are expected to begin before the end of the year. The package is available on the Super Crew models in either the XLT and Lariat trims. It costs $1,495. Customers can combine it with the FX2 or FX4 packages too. It's a bit sad to see the package return without the step-side bed, but the moniker's resurrection is a welcomed one nonetheless. It's a great send-off for the model before the next generation version arrives for the 2023 model year, which should give the pickup a thorough and complete makeover, something it's been needing since Ford brought it to the US in 2019. So that's it guys, comment what you think of this article and don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.